get burned in water. For work? Yeah.
So here at Popeyes. Love that chicken from Popeyes.
Can you drink with this one? Ooh. $5.99. This would be a drink with it. Extra money. $6.99. Was it you want the biscuit?
The biscuit. Yes. KFC's biscuits are softer.
Oh, I keep dropping.
So I'm wearing like a Super Smash Bros. 4 t-shirt sort of thing.
I gotta see the code on the chicken tender with the. Let me see. $6.99. Okay. That one.
Alright.
That's a chicken. Yeah.
It's like rest in peace on play on 3DS and Wii U in April of 2024.
Can I get a 3-piece chicken tender?
A 3-piece?
Yeah, 3-piece chicken tender with the drink. I got
Tender. Smile.
coupon.
And what's your size?
French fries.
And the drink.
You got Fanta orange
Yes, ma'am.
and that.
No?
And I have a coupon.
Alright.
What's the coupon?
Alright, hold on.
I can't see it. You don't see it. What? 4092. Ah. Get back in.
Okay, well, you said you want to add a coupon to it, so I got a 3-piece and then we got a coupon code for another meal.
Coupon for the chicken tender meal.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to fix this bill all up real fast. Give it a second. Doesn't mean it. Okay, so I'm not going to do that one. Meal. What is your coupon code?
4092. I'm not going that way.
Okay, anything else?
You have jelly for the biscuit?
Yeah, so just let me know what the sauce is when you come up to the window.
Huh?
Just tell me what the sauce is when you come to the window.
Okay.
Anything else?
That'd be it. How much?
$7.41.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. Fonts,
Yeah, line.
Bath and Body Works. We are in Popeyes.
What is that?
Big room here.
Oh. I want strawberry jelly for the biscuit.
Well, rest in peace, all in play for Game Sling, Vanilla Mario Kart 8, Super Smash Bros. 4, Splatoon 1, Mario Kart 7, etc. Pretendo. Which I guess it's sort of like Wing-Fi. Wing-Fi.
You want a napkin?
Oh, yes. Take a napkin.
Oh, give me that knife in there. What?
I see a fork, but not a knife.
You need a fork?
Not real. I don't see the knife. Got a few ketchup packets.
Well, I got the ketchup.